After some technical difficulties, I have decided to go ahead and review the lessons over again, and I'll do it quickly. I accidentally did not do the full screen, so I will just start over. So, what we have reviewed is our standard objective, 8FA3, differences in linear and nonlinear functions. Student objectives are to learn the slope-intercept form equation as a linear function. Students will also learn to distinguish the difference between linear and nonlinear functions. Expectations are to identify the slope and y-intercept and be able to define a linear function. We will learn how to find the slope and y-intercept on a linear graph. You will be able to find the slope and y-intercept and slope-intercept form equation. And in this lesson, you will be able to graph linear functions and also be able to tell the difference between linear and nonlinear functions. Our vocabulary for this time is linear function, a function whose graph is a straight line. You cannot have repeating x values, and nonlinear function is opposite of linear function. Here's what a linear function looks like. Here's what a nonlinear function looks like. It didn't pass the vertical line test, which the vertical line test is you draw a vertical line, and it can't hit the lines more than once, and here it does. Get excited for the next video. You saw Butters. That was in video 2. And yeah, feel accomplished. We got that. We will learn the slope and y-intercept. We must go over, is this linear, non-linear? We got that. And finally, our last video. It's a very easy video. The grand finale. We previously learned linear and nonlinear functions, slope-intercept form, slope, and y-intercept. Now it is time to go over our assessment, the quiz. So the basics on the quiz is we're going to have 5 questions. It's going to be on Google Forms. It's already embedded onto the classroom under homework. And to turn in the quiz, you submit it to the Google Classroom site. All videos recorded will be uploaded to YouTube, which will be embedded into the Classroom site. And that's all she wrote for that. So I will show you how to access it. So we go over to my math class, which is on Classroom. And as you can see, we have the different tabs up here. We go over to homework. We go down. And here's where the quiz is. As you can see, there are 5 questions. And what you do is you just click on the answer you think's right, and you submit. It's easy as that. Thank you, and everyone have a great rest of your semester.